Hello, it's me again. I'm out here in my permaculture food forest and deciding whether to have a guinea for dinner or maybe a piece of bacon. No, not really. I'm just going to be vegan today and eat me a little bit of Hobbit chow. But I wanted to show y'all my uh, permaculture clothesline. This tree right here, it's a mountain maple, and I've been working on making it grow into weird shapes. But that's left me with a lot of limbs. And my dryer quit working a while ago, and I just made the choice, like I did with the van and the car, not to replace it, to try to go as natural as possible. So people think that I'm decorating my trees for Christmas or something, but actually I'm just out here drying my clothes. You know, Mama always said crazy is as crazy does. I was just permaculture before permaculture was cool. See y'all later. Tune in next time where you'll see what me and Lucy done yesterday while the camera was acting up. See y'all later now. Bye-bye. Pika, you want a grasshopper for me? Yeah, big grasshopper. Yeah, good girl. Piggy, can you, Iggy the piggy, can you grasshopper? Guinea? Guess not. Hey, Lassie. Hey, Sheba. Hey, Lala. Those big roosters seem to have solved my hawk problem. Ain't lost a girl since I got them. See y'all later now.